Hi there and welcome. Today we are going to be making sweet potato fries in the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using is a Cosori 5.8 quart. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. I have 2 sweet potatoes. I'm going to start off by peeling these. You can leave the peel on if you want to. Now that I have my sweet potatoes peeled, I'm going to rinse these off under cold water and dry them off with some paper towels. Okay, I already went ahead and cut up one of my sweet potatoes. What I did is cut off the ends. Now I'm going to cut the sweet potato in half. Now I'm going to slice these about 1/2 inch in thickness. Try to get your sweet potato fries the same size so they will cook evenly. And then again, I'm going to cut them about 1/2 inch in thickness. I have the sweet potato fries all cut up and I place them into a 1-gallon baggie, and to that I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Zip up the baggie and we're going to give this a good shake to get that cornstarch all coated on these sweet potato fries. After I got the sweet potatoes all coated with that cornstarch, I went ahead and placed them into my mixing bowl. Now I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Feel free to use whatever kind of oil you wish. Now we'll get these sweet potatoes all coated in that avocado oil. Now that cornstarch is going to help to make these sweet potato fries crispy. We are ready to season these up. I am going to add some salt. Now season these to your taste. I get comments that I either put too much seasoning or not enough. So you season these how much or as little as you like. I just added some garlic powder to that. I'm going to add some black pepper. And now I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika. If I had regular paprika, I'd probably just use that instead, but this will be all right. Add a little bit of that. Get that seasoning all mixed in well with our sweet potato. All right. Do a little switcheroo here. Now we want to make sure we do not overcrowd these sweet potatoes. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing there. Do not want to overcrowd these sweet potatoes or they're not going to crisp up. They're going to steam instead. So I'm probably going to have to do these in 2 batches. We are ready to pop these into the air fryer. Alright, I have the air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm starting off for 15 minutes. About 10 minutes in or so, we're going to take a peek at these and give the basket a shake to move around them sweet potato fries so they cook evenly. We are almost 10 minutes in of our 15. Let's go ahead and check on these. These are looking real good. Let's give these a little shake. Make sure they're not overlapping. I'm going to put these back in for the remaining time. If I need to add any more time to this, I will let you know. We are 12 minutes in. And I believe these are ready. I will get the other batch in and then we'll give this a try. Okay, we are halfway into my second batch. What I'm going to do is I am going to spray a little bit of olive oil on these and then give it a shake. I just want to see if this is going to help crisp these up a little bit better. Let's give this a try. Give it a shake. Okay, I'm going to pop these back in and let it go the remaining 6 minutes and we'll see works out. I'm not sure if spraying these with oil halfway through on the second batch help any at all with crispiness. I think if anything, that cornstarch gave us a little layer of crispiness. Let's give this a try. Okay, it is a little crispy on the outside. Is it a lot? No, but it's not bad at all. It's totally cooked through, nice and soft on the inside. I can taste that garlic. To be honest with you, I don't really care for sweet potatoes, but these are pretty darn good. Definitely worth giving a try. Like I said towards the end, I really don't care for sweet potatoes, but these were not bad at all. But I highly suggest do not skip out on that cornstarch because that did help to give these sweet potato fries a little crispiness. If you're looking for more air fryer recipes, here's a few more I think you would like to watch next. Stay safe out there. It's getting crazy. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.